Even so, shout, I will not die. Shout, I will not die. Carry it out of there. No hair, devil. You have a grandmother who is supposed to die this year. I cancel it. Tagon that I glory, 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 glory. Legede de gido. Etadagada. La caparo de gido. Etakeda yeme meito. La cadiete. Leko. Pacola la mama de gede. La kida yeme. Yeah. I am glory. Kede. Zadieto. La gada gida hama. Mama, kira da gido. Eterogo shariama. Tegede. Ita. Kadiama maha. Lepos. Oh, gada. Legadi yede. Pakadia da gada. Ega mahate. Oh, shadiepo. Lagadi tere de gida. Lord Jesus. Yeah. I am on the gida. Hey. You are taking authority, for I shall anoint you with my power, and my glory will flow. I give you authority over serpents. I give you authority over Satan, for you are embedded in the darkness of this world. But yeah, tonight I set you aside for my own glory. You shall take authority over your dominion. Pagadia de Monte yede Legida. Stand! It's a command. Run! Yeah, I am. Oh, Jariapa. There's a young man with pain in the right lung. The middle part of the lung has begun rotting. The Lord says, a new lung I prepare for you tonight. Healed with a new lung by the power of the Holy Ghost. Take it, dear Lord Jesus, of Kings, Lord of Lords. Yeah, I am. Thank God. Yeah, I am Atagon de Guido. That's him. Power of the Holy Ghost. They're gonna hear my